dance. Back door cracked, we don't need a key. We get in for free, no VIP sleeves. Drink that Kool-Aid, follow my lead. Now you're one of us, you're coming with me. It's time to kill the lights and shut the DJ down. This place about to tonight, we're taking over. No one's getting out. This place about to blow. This place about to blow. This place about to This place about to This place about to Now what? We're taking control. We get what we want. We do what you don't. Dirt and glitter cover the floor. We're pretty and sick. We're young and we're bored. It's time to lose our mind and let the crazy out. This place about to tonight, we're taking names 'cause we don't mess around. This place about to blow. This place about to blow. This place about to This place about to This place about Go insane, go insane. Throw some glitter, make it rain on 'em. Let me see them hands, let me see them hands. Go insane, go insane. Throw some glitter, make it rain on 'em. Let me see them hands, let me see them hands. We are taking over. Get used to it. This place about to blow. This place about to blow. This place about to
Recording from Ocean Park, Maine, where it seems to be a little windy. We also have high surf and sand. Thank you.
Don't tell me not to live, just sit and putter. Life's candy and the sun's a ball of butter. Don't bring around a cloud to rain on my parade. Don't tell me not to fly, I've simply got to. If someone takes, so spill it to me and not you. Who told you you're allowed to rain on my parade? I'm marching my band out, I'll beat my drum. And if I'm fanned out, your turn at that, sir. At least I didn't fake it, hat, sir. I guess I didn't make it, but whether on the rose of sheer perfection, a freckle on the nose of life's complexion, the cinder or the shiny